Occasionally, you'll need to check inventory on a particular style before entering an order. To do that, simply open AX as you always do, and then click on the Update Dates Inventory Available button. In the top center of that window that pops up on top of the original screen, click in the item number field and type in the number of the style that you want to investigate. For instance, the 31014 benchmark hood, and then hit the Enter key, and lo and behold, you have bupkis. Why? Because Mother AX, in her wisdom, chooses to keep two sets of numbers for our inventory. 31014 is the number in the catalog, but that's not the number in the warehouse. But it's easy to work your way around that. Simply add 1 to that number. Turn it into 31015, an odd number instead of an even number, a number that's just 1 digit higher than the catalog number you thought you wanted. Then hit the Enter key, and lo and behold, you see a list of every item in the warehouse. The very first line, which is athletic gold, in 2X, we have 32 items on the shelves. Before you actually examine the quantities in the table at the bottom of that window, read the information in fine print above the window. The lines with blank dates show current inventory. If the available quantity is blank, there are none available. So line 1, the athletic gold in 2X, shows that we have 32 items on the shelves in the warehouse. The next line has exactly the same information, except it shows the date of October 28th. That's telling you that 24 more are coming in on October 28th. The next line is the same. 46 additional are available on the shipment when that boat arrives in December 31st. And so you can simply scroll through the entire list, remembering that the list is sorted alphabetically by color and then numerically alphabetically by size. So athletic gold comes before athletic hunter, and a 2X comes before a 3X, and a number comes before a letter L. L comes before M. M comes before S. S comes before X, and so on.